Now, instead of saying hello world, let's say hello to a specific person. First, we'll create a person variable, person. We can do this by declaring a variable named person and assigning a name to it. So we will use here let person, for example, Denise. Next, we will replace world in our hello world message with this new person variable. We can join the string hello and the person variable using the plus operator. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like, okay, something like this. Let's compile and run the code. So we use our compiler tsc sample.ts. Now to run node sample.js. Yeah, there's another more modern way to achieve this using template literals. This allows us to embed variables directly within a string. First, we remove the sign of plus. Then we put our variable inside the dollar and brackets, and we change the quotation to backtick, backtick, and backtick. Notice how the syntax highlighting for the person variable changes. This indicates that it's being interpreted as a variable, not just as part of the string. Let's compile and run this version. So TSC again, and not it, it works again. We declared our variable using the let keyword. This means we can reassign its value later in our code. For example, person like Ali. Alternatively, we can declare a variable using the const keyword. So instead of using let, we can use const also. However, a variable declared with const is a constant, meaning its value cannot be changed after it's been assign. So if you try to reassign it again, like person equal Ali, TypeScript's IntelliSense will immediately flag this with an error. She cannot assign to person because it is a constant. Use always const and let if you need to change the value of variable later, use let, but we always use const as default, and const is not reassignable.